So I used to wonder how come these community files on Figma have these beautiful covers and these tells you exactly what to expect inside them. And my Figma homepage used to look like this. So that's when I found out Figma thumbnails. And in today's video, we will see how to make a thumbnail for your design file. And one important thing, having a thumbnail for your file doesn't in any way reflect on your design skills. So let's start. Whenever you create a new file like I've done here, you can create this new page called cover. You can also call it thumbnail, whatever you like, and then you can start designing. One fun fact, I never design the thumbnails myself. I just go to Figma community, search for Figma covers, and then it'll show you bunch of options to select from. One thing I do look for while selecting a file is whether these templates have a provision to show the status of the project, like it's in review, it's done, it's in progress, etc. I found this file and I'm just going to open in Figma, select my team, and I'm going to go to the templates page here. I like one thing I like about this is that this is a component, which will mean that even if I use this, I'll be able to switch things up in my cover page easily. I'm just going to take a copy and paste in my file, and first thing I'm going to go with the light mode, and then let us change the status. I'm going to change it from review to in progress, and I don't think that I necessarily need the internal file status, so I'm going to delete that. And I'm also going to delete the devices. I'm going to also change the alignment here. And the next thing that I notice about this file is it also has the team and the names. So basically you can add in all the contributors to this file. I'm going to remove the logo there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to select this option called frame selection. So basically I'm going to put this component inside a frame. After doing that, right click on it again, and now you'll see this option called set as thumbnail. Click on that. Now notice this little icon that came in front of the file or the frame name. That means you have set your thumbnail for this particular file. Now if you go back to the home screen and search for this file, you can notice that the thumbnail has been applied. So that is how you can make a thumbnail for your file. And let me emphasize on this once again that having a thumbnail for your design file doesn't in any way reflect on your design skills, and it is mostly for organizing your home page, and also it kind of helps you to give a visual cue on what to expect inside these files. With that, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.